Now students, see page number 18. Now I am reading our remaining paragraph. So listen carefully. These resources were used to finance the king's establishment. Means whatever the collection in form of money, in form of some things. So these things were used. Why? For the establishment of the kingdom, for ruling properly, administrations. So resources were used, as well as for the construction of temples and forts. Not only these resources were used not only for the establishment and administration, for the purpose of the administration, not only for this purpose but also for the construction of temples. To build the temples, kings used these resources, and for building the forts also. They were also used to fight wars. Now these resources were used in war, in fighting also, to fight wars. Why? Which wars were fought? Especially which were in turn expected to lead to the acquisition. Underline acquisition. Acquisition means here acquire, to get, of wealth in the form of plunder. Plunder means here robbery, loot, LOOT, loot. So the wars were fought by using these resources. So after winning the wars, the kings, they could acquire lot of wealth in form of plunder, as well as and access to land. Here underline access. Access means here to enter, to approach. So they could easily get and control the other's land after winning the wars. So such wars were fought by using these resources, as well as trade routes, for controlling over the others' trade routes. Now this paragraph, just you can see the functionaries here, underline functionaries. Functionaries means here we can say the government officials, those who were appointed by the kings. The functionaries means appointed persons, we can say in our simple language of officers. The functionaries for collecting revenue here tax, were generally recruited. Underline recruited. Recruited means here recruit means appoint, to appoint. Recruitment means appointment, from influential families. Influential families means powerful families. Means officers were appointed by the kings. Now these officers, those who belong to powerful families or royal families, now such persons were appointed for collecting revenue, for collecting various types of taxes, etc. And positions were often hereditary. Here underline hereditary means after person's death. Things which are left, so passing from one generation to another generation, from one person to another person, it's called the hereditary. Means post, as well as the works, collecting of the revenue, etc., whatever the works. Now which were we can say the forward from one person to another person. This was true about the army as well. Now same applied for the appointment of the army in positions, various army's post. In many cases, close relatives of the king held these positions. Now, those who means we can say the very close to the royal families. So, such persons, powerful persons, they were appointed were at a higher rank post. Now here we have understood this paragraph. Now next paragraph and next clip.